Good morning mga padangat. It's me again, Mary ko, Mary nyo, Mary mo, Mary nating lahat. And welcome back to my vlog. So mga padangat, for today's video, today is Saturday, 7:05. So, bakit ako nasa labas? Aga. Kasi mga padangat, day off ako. Kasi yes, this is it, pansit. This is the day. Kasi po nandito yung aking kapatid, magmi-meet kami, and then may mga pupuntahan kaming dalawa. Nag-ano sila dito, bakasyon sila, kaya magmi-meet up kami. Nag-meet na kami nung nakaraan. Siguro nasa video na lang na to, sa vlog na to ko, idudugdog. Nandito yung nag-meet kami. So ngayon papunta ako sa kanila, maaga. So, yeah. See you there. The leader. Wala kaming Insta. Ito lang sa amin. Tapos dito ulit. Go, go, Power Ranger. Babin. And say hi, Babin. We are here at Disneyland. Asa sa G? Nakarating na kami. Dito na kami. Babayad pa kita, te? May ano siya, may book siya. Bakit kulang? Ano yung kulang sa siya natin? Sunny Bay? Oo, Sunny Bay. Sunday! Kasi hanggang Sunny Bay lang yung ticket namin. Sumakay kami ng Disney, kaya nandiyan. Ayun, magpipila pa doon. Eh, hindi na pala yung Disney. Pila pa dyan. So, I'm here again at Disneyland. Miracle with my brother, Greg. So, nandito na naman ako sa Disneyland. Baka huwag man ngayon yung mga kiddie cart, ano? Ayan, Babin. Hi. Ay, si Daddy, oh. Si Daddy. Si Daddy. Daddy. Mermaid. Wala mo tayo sa loob. Malayo pa. Layo pa. Sige na. Ano mag-akad? Palakarin mo. Ayun na, dami mo. Malayo-layo pa. Si Gopi. So, hello mga padangat. Nung una kong punta dito sa, hindi ako nakasakay ng carousel. Ngayon nakasakay na, dito na. May katabi ako. Yan, yung kapatid ko, nandun sila sa dambo nagpila. Kasi sabi nila, ang haba daw ng pila dito. Sabi ko, dito na lang pumila kasi unahin namin to ay maghiwa-hiwalay daw kami ng pila. O di hiwa-hiwalay din kami hindi kami sabay-sabay. Nandun sila sa Dambo, ayan o. Dambo doon. Doon sila nagpila. Ako dito, ako dito. Yung maiksi ang paa mo. So, yeah. Let's ride in here, mga padangat. Shout out sa'yo, miss. Lumingon ka, akin ka. Ayun yung lumingon. So, nandun sila, oh. Doon sila kakakain lang namin dyan, mga padang. Diyan kami nag-lunch sa banquet hall. Yan. Diyan kami kumain. So, ang mahal ng binayad ng aking brother-in-law. Brother-in-law, sister-in-law pala yun. So, nandito na kami. Nandito na ako. Mag-picture tayo. Nung unang punta ko dito, mga padangan, kasama ko sila amo. Ngayon, buwelo kasi kapatid ko naman ang kasama ko dito. So, ito palang trip na to dito sa Disney is libre to ng aking sister-in-law. So, libre siya, mga padangan. Lahat expenses niya. Kaya, sulitin natin. So, ayan. Malarga na tayo. Yay! Hello, fun!
外國安全站嘅賓客請企喺左右兩匹木馬嘅馬車中間，為確保安全，站立的賓客請站在左右兩匹木馬的馬身中間。For safety, standing distance stay between two horses on the left and right. 站立嘅賓客請企喺左右兩匹木馬身中間。出口離開多謝。Please mind your step.
So, tapos na tayo, mga padangan. Tapos na tayo sa ating carousel. So, tapos na. Hanapin ko na sila. Punta naman ako dun sa Dambo. Tapos ako sa carousel. Yun lang. 3 ikot lang, mga padangat, yung pa-carousel. So, dito naman ako sa Dambo. Hanapin ko sila. Dito sila pumila eh. Alay mo, makasingit pa. Bilis lang pala. Kahit mahaba yung pila. Mabilis lang din. So, hanapin natin sila, mga padangat, kung nasa na sila. Tapos pipila din ako. Ay, may yung harang mo. Hindi na ako dyan sasakay. Nakasakay na rin naman ako dyan sa Dambo. So, nandun na sila. Hindi ako pwede dyan. Tapos na ako sa carousel. Kayo hindi pa. Anggutan kita?
Yes? If yes, very good. If you haven't, too bad because the tree house is closed and I don't know when they'll be open again. If it's open, you guys can take the raft on our left side to go to the tree house. Remember not to swim across because there are many crocodiles in the river. And right now we're in the world's longest river. It's more than 4,000 miles long, but don't worry, I know a shortcut, so we'll be back very soon. And over here, what animals can we see? What can we see? No one knows any animals. You can see 2 elephants. There's mother elephant teaching her baby how to use her trunk. But we're lucky she's so small, so she shouldn't be able to spray us. Let's say a quick hi and bye to them. 3, 2, 1, hi. Louder, hi. Hi. And then on our right, we have brother elephant. What is brother elephant doing? What's he doing? He's taking a bath. Look at him having a great time. So it looks like he's been in the water for too long. Look at how many wrinkles he has. Let's not disturb him. He's having a great time right now. And lastly, we have father elephant. Now what is father elephant doing? Let's take a closer look. I think he wants to spray water with us. People, get down, don't get wet. People! I'm just joking, don't worry. It's a little hot today, but I won't let you guys get wet. Okay, where have we entered now? We've arrived at the ancient temple. On our left, we can see spiders. So the world's fastest and deadliest spiders. There are 1, 2, and 3 on our left, and one more coming up on our right as well. Can anyone find the fifth fighter? There are 5 in total. Where's the fifth one? Hey! That scare anyone? I think so. Very good. I usually can't scare anyone here. And up ahead we also have the Elephant God and the King Cobra that are protecting him. But try not to move too much because there's one on our left as well. So let's go back very slowly and we should be alright. Okay, well done guys, you can see very still. And further ahead, what can we see now? We can see a lot of monkeys. Yeah, crocodiles. I heard crocodiles. They like to eat children. We have a few children on board. They're real. They're very dangerous. So don't put your hand out. But they seem to be sleeping, so we should be alright as long as you don't reach your hand. If your hand or fingers get eaten by them, don't say I didn't warn you guys. And now, we are about to enter a camp. It belongs to the scientists, but it looks like it's been taken over by gorillas. What are the gorillas playing with? They're playing on a swing and what else? On the swing, they're playing with clothes and be careful, they have guns as well. Try not to. Be careful, they're playing with gunpowder. Don't blow up my boat. My boat is new and very expensive as well. I didn't buy insurance for the boat. I just bought it yesterday. And now, we have entered African safari. There are 3 types of animals here. What's the one closest to us?
Zebra.
Zebra, yes. What else? Elephant and giraffe, yes. Does anyone know the difference in the zebra stripe? Anyone know the difference in the zebra stripe? No? No one knows. Okay, very good. I also don't know the difference. Please come down and tell me next time you see me. Okay, we have to wait for a bit. You guys can take a photo if you want. If you don't want to take a photo of the animals, you can take a photo of me. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's continue. No one wants to take a photo of me. And on our left, we have the African elephant. And one more on our right, that's his wife, and she's angry. They're having an argument. Let's ignore them and leave. And now, we've also entered the hippo pool. They're coming up. They're very dangerous. They just 2 of my boats charging. They're coming up on both sides. Okay, careful on the right. And one on the left as well. He's coming up a little later. Okay, what's happening here? I recognize them. They're the last group of scientists that took out here. They've all climbed up the tree to avoid the rhino. You better watch out, especially the scientist at the bottom. If he falls down, he's in very big trouble. Should we save them? No, we shouldn't save them. Raise your hand. Okay, I see a few people said no. I'll listen to you guys. Let's not save them. Our boat is nearly full anyways. If you want to save them, you can stay here, but I'm leaving first. Goodbye. And now,